Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Another day of another night of random reaction video. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube screen and I just discovered this new song. This one here. Like I said, anything Morissette could give you at least 1,000 views in just one day. Okay, the more you promote Morissette, you'll get millions of views. Okay. So why not do this? Then after next year, we're gonna do our own content. Okay. For now, we're gonna do a reaction video. I hope hopefully there's no copyright thing on this. I hope.
I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall,
Wait, is that GarageBand or Pro Tools?
and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. I'm going under, and this time I fear there's no one to turn to. This all or nothing way of loving got me sleeping without you. I need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to help, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you helped me escape. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love, and I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I fall into your arms. I'll be safe in your soul until I come back around. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Now the day bleeds to nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved.
Come on. What? That was just 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes. We're gonna add, folks. We're gonna add, folks. Why not? We're gonna sing karaoke. Gonna sing karaoke, okay? Because that's only 3 minutes. I'm gonna add more to make it at least 6 minutes. Thank you. Never mind. there's a there's a bowl. There's a bowl in my back. See that thing?